everyone, it's Karina. I have a fun little unboxing. I was reached out by Yourcreativestudio and they asked if they can send one of their vintage theme subscription box. And if you guys know, I am a huge fan of vintage crafts. I know I don't do them as much, but I feel like this would be a huge inspiration for me to get back into it again. Super excited to unbox this package. So this is the box here. And let's see, I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Ouch. All right, you guys. So there's is Yourcreativestudio, and look how pretty this is packaged up. So this is their card, and look at, guys, we can even use this for some junk journaling. It's like their little thank you card. I love it, and I am in love with this wrapping paper. Definitely going to be saving that as well. I don't want to rip it. Alright, that's not bad. And everything is packaged in these brown bags, which I absolutely love. I do not know what's in here, so I'm super excited. So let's just grab one thing at a time. So I believe that's the description. So cling stamps. So inside, I do see, yeah, so there are two different stamps. So this one is, oops. So it says travel, and then there's a train. And then this one, there's a train and it says railway station. And I do have a lot of Tim Holtz things that I need to use, and I feel like this would be perfect to create some projects with for like backgrounds and stuff. This one says masking tape. Wow, that's really cute. I love this. All right, and then here, let's see what this is. Oh, we got some more stamps. I want to save these little bags, so try not to rip them. Oh my gosh, I love this one. This is what is inside. So it's a train, and I love all of the details on it. And then, let's see. I believe this is another stamp. And it's this little beauty right here. So it's a detailed train. There's so much in here. We have another washi tape. Let's see how this one looks like. It reminds me of a vintage wallpaper. Let's see. There we go. Super cute. And we also got some Oh, I love these. They're like strips of paper and they're all different. And you get a huge amount in there. Look at that. I have a different Rascog with all my Tim Holtz and vintage things, and I can't wait to add these to my cart, and maybe I can do a little tour of my Tim Holtz vintagey cart for you guys. We also got these cards. So it comes with different pattern paper. And then we got some more cards. This is a more smaller size. Let's do a quick flip through. Oh, I love these ones. So it has the pictures of maps. Wow, I love this. So far, this is probably my favorite. All right. And then we have old, it says old newspaper, 60 pieces. I think these are like Post-its. They might just be, okay, yeah, they're like separate little cubes. And you guys, you get vellum in here. There's a vellum paper in here. I love vellum. Oops. You can see that there's like writing on here. Wow, and you get a bunch of vellum pieces. This is getting me excited to start using all of my vintage things. And then we have, let's see. Look how cute this box is. I think it's some more paper. Let's see. Oh wow, these are like stamps. And it has an interesting, like a glossy texture. It might be like washi. Let me see. Yes, so it is a sticker. So this is perfect for layering and to make your backgrounds, which I will give that a try. And you get a bunch of different, I don't think there's any repeats in here. Love that. And then there's so much in here. There's also some clear stickers, and as you can see, and it's also, yeah, we got the little train design on there. And you get 12. These are some sticky notes. I love the ripped edges on here. There's also some paper. This is, you get 6 sticker paper, 6 vellum paper, 6 art paper, and 6 pattern paper. This smells so good. So yeah, here's the different pattern papers. This is like the washi tape. I'm pretty sure that's the washi tape design. So I love how everything's matching. And then you get that beautiful vellum. So it looks like you get one of each. So one of each design. I absolutely love these. And this is textured. So it's the same print, and this is like a textured paper. I'm guessing this is the art style paper. And then regular paper. So this one right here is more of like a thin paper, and then this one's thicker. I think this is actually the these are the sticky paper. I can feel it. So it's like a washi tape. Yep. Ooh, this is gonna be fun to play with. But yeah, that is everything that's included in the box. This is absolutely amazing. I'm definitely getting inspired. Thank you so much to the Your Creative Studio team for reaching out. I will link where you can get the box down below. They didn't ask me to do that, but I will in case you guys are interested in purchasing these. And thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye everyone.